Goode Promotions in association with Purina presents Purina Dog Health Fair and Family Fun Day on July 13 in Kingston, Ranny Williams Entertainment Center. Come see the Best in Dog Show wins $10,000. Best Dressed Dog, Doggy Fashion Show wins $5,000. And the Best Dressed Jamaican Mongrel also wins $5,000. Dog Tricks and Entertainment by Magla, Michael Fisher and others. Admission $300. Kids under 12 free. Registration $500. This is a Sun City endorsed event.
Who let the dogs out? Who